everyone asks me how do my car's temps remain so cool. Well, I do run coolant, but also what I did, many guys do it, they remove the thermostat from their Golfies and lets the water run through your motor directly and immediately, so it keeps the engine longer cool. I never experienced any problems with that, guys. So I know many of you are like, oh, that's risky and all of it, but me, I've been driving like this for a year now and it's just a great result for me. After all of that rumbling, my temps is like still below 90. Thermostat, boys. So I'm here at Mizi's house now, a friend of mine. This is his car. So he's been experiencing some buckle wobble, knocking sound on his left wheel. I suppose that could be his outer CV joint. So we just wanna check it out and see what we can do over there. Yeah, this guy is good on the ski. And I have a feeling also it can be his wheel bearing and his, wheel bearing problem also needs to be replaced soon in the future. So let's give this car a start and see how it sounds. What about it? I'm gonna go park that side over there. Yeah, Golfies, eh? Hey. Let's go. Warm up, I suppose. So we are by Mizi boy. About to jack his car up and see what is cooking. So we got the shaft up. Here you can see this outer CV is quite loose, maybe. It's very dangerous. But we have some new solid gential over here. You see? Wow, this thing makes. That inner CV was so bad. Took me like 1 hit just to get this thing out here. And y'all know it don't take just 1 hit to get out the CV out on that flippin' city Golf. It takes about 25 hits of max ammo, 4 pounds. Let's finish up, yeah. So new CV joint is installed there. What we're gonna do now is take off the whole hub and everything. When I replace the wheel bearing and all of it, just to make my boy Maisie feel satisfied here with his wah buckle noises, missing out. Thank you guys for watching. So we got this off the damn hub. Need to take off the brake disc. That's off. So I got an old hub out. Gonna get an old bearing out now. Put new one in, new hub in, and then install CV joint, everything on time. I think first I'll put on the CV joint and I know it's in there and out of the way. Let's get it done. So we got the shaft in with a new CV joint with our boy Maisie. What's that? Now we're gonna get his bearing out, and I hope you guys enjoy. So we're getting everything set together. I am tired, tiring. But quick job is what I got you about 10 o'clock. Did out the CV joint, new wheel bearing, new wheel hub. And what's the time now? It's 12 o'clock now. So 2 hour job. I'm happy. Was long morning. Thanks guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I'm rusty, man. It's been a while since I posted, but I'm done with this, guys, with new outer CV, new wheel bearing hub, everything. There's an old wheel bearing, old CV joint, all the new parts are in. I lined this wheel, everything is in. Thanks for watching, guys. Man. My last camera, bro. Just. Why you can't go? What filming? Can't you manage for you? Hi, wait.
Yo, don't snap your board now.